Muscle Car Corner bringing you a really neat Oldsmobile. It's a 442. It's a factory car that Oldsmobile made called the Mod Rod. One of one Oldsmobile concept car, referred to as a Mod Rod, built for 68 Chicago Auto Show, 400 4-speed, featured in multicolor fade-out paint. That is cool. Last driven in 95. Man, this car is so neat. And I know they've reproduced this paint, and I've done this type of paint with fade-out. It's not easily done. But look at the interior on this. This is wild. This is all factory stuff that Oldsmobile did to take this to the auto show in 68 and wow people, you know? And that, look at the seats. Oh my gosh. Funky. They didn't really paint the jams. They let the overspray blow on into the jams. I never knew about this car. I've never seen it, never knew about it. It's a piece of Oldsmobile history that I tell you what, it is cool. Funky, wild colors. Now, Mopar did this with the rapid transit system. They built custom cars, Cudas and Roadrunners and all types of different cars. And they took them out to the dealers, and they had a traveling show where they went to all the dealers with these custom cars trying to sell their product. And this is what this one is. It's a really neat piece, and I've never seen it and never knew about it. The old original 442, 455, no, it's a 400, excuse me. You can see where they just let the paint blow into the jams. I know this has been painted because it's base coat, clear coat. I can tell the paint. But, man, this thing's cool. Kind of a neat find for me because I'm a person who loves to know about cars. And, man, I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. So, cool find. Muscle Car Corner sign out.